Dramatic aerial and ground footage reveals the scale of the Jones Road Wildfire raging through Ocean County, New Jersey. As of April 23, 2025, the fire has scorched over 11,500 acres, prompting evacuations of thousands of residents and causing widespread power outages. The blaze, which began in the Greenwood Forest Wildlife Management Area, has led to the closure of major roads, including parts of the Garden State Parkway. Firefighters are working tirelessly to contain the fire, which is currently 30% contained. The cause of the wildfire remains under investigation, and officials urge residents to stay informed and heed safety advisories.